I want to clarify something, which is why you want to have the work to build out these somewhat complex looking my maps. The first reason, which was the one I already mentioned, is because it gives you extra relevancy, because you're fully optimizing this. You're interlinking them with your citations, your GMB, your social media, your website, and everything else. But the main reason why you'd want to do this is because driving direction maps, when you create them, we're telling Google that if someone is searching for a certain business within that area, Google sees that your business also provides services in that same area. So this makes it so if we want to create relevancy on a certain area and rank on that area, we would go to that area and create a driving direction map back to our business. This basically tells Google that our business is ready to travel 10, 15 miles or 20 miles to a certain area to serve a certain client. So at the end of the day, these maps and these custom maps with driving directions help Google understand to which extent is your business willing to travel to your customer's location to provide them with your services. And why is this good? Because obviously you don't want your business to only show up when people search nearby your business location. If you are a plumber, an electrician, a service business that provides services to your client's house, for example, you want to make sure that every client in a 15, 20 mile radius of your actual business location gets your business to show up when it's searching on Google. So that's the main reason why you'd want to do this. Local relevancy to get your business to appear nearby in the 10, 15, 20 mile radius of the actual main location.